Hi, good morning. Welcome to the Academy course at the Al Ain Equestrian Shooting and Golf Club. So now, me and Sadie are going to play part 3, 9 holes. 90 yards, okay. What, Sadie? Wait lang po. Wala. What? This is our first time that we are going to play just the two of us, because Daddy is playing inside 18 holes with Team Abu Dhabi and Team Dubai. Yay! So now me and Sadie only.
Let's see what is inside my secret compartment.
There's a secret compartment pa.
Here. 3, 2, 1.
Ta-da!
Our balls and a tea. I don't care.
Okay. Good luck,
First
buddy.
hole.
First hole.
There's a bird.
Ang taas ng team mo. It's okay. It's okay.
Give me. Okay, it's my mom's turn. I went too high. I think I used top flight. It translates to the ground is hard. Wait, why is this so Okay.
Good luck.
Direct. Yeah, pareho tayo. Pareho tayo. Ay.
Okay.
Okay.
Fair play.
Okay. So, second shot. This is part 3 and this is already our second shot and we're still in the pyramid.
Okay, on the green.
Okay, so mom's turn again. Up. There we are. Boom. It's good. It's good. Sobra. Woo! Yay!
No!
Yay!
Maganda nga tira. Sobra naman.
Okay. Okay. That's my ball. And there's my mom's ball. So, okay. It's in the brown thing. Dirt. Okay. Skibidi. Skibidi! 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 Ano nangyari? What happened? He skipped to number 2. There's a dragonfly. There's a dragonfly. Bottle cap. Skibidi.
Wrong. Wait.
Okay. So it's gonna be my turn, and I think it's going uphill and then straight. So, kind of like. Okay, so it's my mom's turn. Close. Nice. Okay, so it's my mom's 6th turn. I finished.
Okay, hole number 2. $77. There. Hole number 2. There. Nag-overheat yung isang phone, hindi na na-record yung putting ko. So on our first hole, I got 7 and said he got 5. Yay! Oh my gosh. Ayaw mo mag-shadow muna?
Sa pangkis ako eh.
Bunker! Oh, mga... nice one!
It's my mom's turn. I almost got bunker, but it jumped out. That's good. Oh,
Huwag ka bunker.
yes, 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 yes. Oh,
Stop. Stop.
no.
Okay.
Okay.
Enough.
We're gonna do the putt again. I think. Give me. Bruh, this is like the distance of the nearest McDonald's to our house. Well, I think that's McDonald's and this is our house. Wow, this thing is overheating. So it's a long putt from the hole. Let's see how well she does. Skibidi boog. Sobra na naman. Ah! Free walk fairy. This is just my second shot and I'm almost already at the green. And my mom, that's her third shot. Okay. Oh. Why is the thing so wobbly?
Pina naman!
Wow! Wow! Oh! Okay. Okay.
How many? 4, 5. Okay, good. Going to the third hole. They're fixing the bunker. Bunker. Come on, come on. On to our third hole. Hole 3.
Ano maganda dyan? Short driver?
Pwede, pero may water sa right, ah.
Short driver.
Sige. It's up to you. Your choice, your decision. Baka mataas na naman yung ano mo, ah. Water!
Hinig pa. It's my mom's turn. I can't see a thing in the screen. Almost. Why is it so shaky? Woo! Bangka. Oh.
That's one.
Oh, I see. Almost
Okay,
there.
steady your... Nice one. Okay, safe left. Good.
We're being chased by Pac-Man right now. So close. Okay. Come on, Emirates ball. It's scary because there's like a bunker. TBD.
Huwag sa water.
Yes. Water! 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 Water!
Water ba?
Yata, yeah. Parang nahuyog eh.
1, 2. Pangatlo ko na to.
Ah.
Ikaw, pangalawa mo na yun. Yeah!
Okay.
Nakabilang tubig.
Tubig ugat?
Yata. Let's go.
The ball didn't fall actually, but the other one did, but that doesn't count because this one didn't fall. And mine fell, so that's one penalty. Nice. Wait, how did it go there? I get there so quick.
3.
All right. Yes.
Oh, bakit? Tirahin mo lang, sayang. Practice mo na rin yan. Shoot.
Okay. Yan na yung ba? 5th? 4th? Okay. 5. High 5. High 5.
Nawawala siya. Hi. Good morning. Ha? Doon, oh. Okay. Hole number 4.
Teaching 9. Okay. Hole 4 and it's pretty short.
Went outside. Okay.
Okay. It's now my mom's turn. It's going up and down. Woo! Oh!
Nice one.
Woo!
Nice one.
Joyog sa. Sana ganun din ako.
Let's go, let's go.
Okay.
Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Yes! Yeah! Good job. Nice one. Ako naman.
Bruh. I was like in the fairway and then I came in clutch. Closey. But not closey enough. I'm sweating. Skibbity dum dum. Okay, 3, 2.
2, 3.
Oh, I forgot.
Okay, so this is hole number 5. Okay, hole number 5. Pitching. Tumaas pa.
Lagi ng ganun. Okay. Mata, ping! Saan pupunta? Ayun. Ako na muna maun. Ikaw na muna mauna.
Let's go. Oh, go, Sabi. Hindi, ikaw na. Nandito ka, layo mo, oh. Go. Shadow. Okay. Ha? Okay.
Okay. So,
3.
okay.
Four. Okay. Okay. Now going to hole number 6. Hole number 6. Nandun ulit si Manong. Ba't nandun ulit siya? Okay, let's go. Hole number 6. Come on, Sadie. Sadie. Shadow. Yan, mahangin. Fresh. Sumobra. Doon sa may ano.
Okay, why is it blurry? I don't know.
Naku.
Yeah.
Bunker.
Boo. Oh.
Ah, yes.
Mm.
Okay, let's go. Okay, come on, Sadie. Toink, toink, toink. Lakas. Control. Shoot. Oh. Sige, control lang, control. Mas maganda yung palapitin mo kaysa yung patulak mo ng malayo. Shoot, shoot, shoot. Yes! Good job. Okay, my turn, my turn.
Gayo ka pa yun. I'm tired. Very tired. I mean, like 101% tired.
Yeah!
Okay.
Yeah! So now on to hole number 7. Hole number 7. Hole number 7. Huh? Ano to? Aroch. Okay, Sadie, for hole number 7. Okay. Oh, nalaglag sa bunker.
So, okay, that's up. Up. Ding, ding, ding.
Saan punta? Sa right side?
Yes.
Saan kaya yun?
I don't know.
Ah! Lakas! Ano yun? Ba't ang lakas? Layo. Oh! What are you doing? Bakit?
Kayugan. Okay.
Okay, hole number 8. Hole number 8. Eddie cannot play na because he is really tired. Wala, numb na yung arms niya, yung shoulders niya. I will play for him na lang. So I will take 2 shots.
Yes.
Okay?
Grabe.
So first is for Eddie.
Okay. Sure ka ba bawal ka po niyan? Ang galing ni mami ah. Sagayin pa siya sa akin pag ano.
Okay, that's for Eddie on the green.
Okay.
This is mine.
Sure.
Yung mine pangit. Okay, so Eddie will play for potting only.
Okay.
I will play for you in the
Playground. Playground.
let's go.
Playground.
Okay, Sedi, nasa green na. Ako, ito pa lang. Oh. Okay.
Okay. Bakit pag-F ka? Wait, Parang pinag-F talaga ni mami. Parang tinignan ko. Parang talagang parang ano, rift na rift. Guys. Oh.
Five.
Okay.
Okay. Nak! Puti ka na. Ya! Sige, sige. Tirahin mo. Okay. Very good. 4? Okay, 4, 5. Going to our last hole. Hole number 9. Where is it? Okay, there. Hole number 9. There. Okay, now set this ball.
Okay. Yeah.
Safe.
Yeah.
Safe.
Okay, yes.
Okay. My ball.
My legs are so tired.
My ball.
Okay. Okay, same. Almost.
Okay, good.
Okay.
Safe also. Good.
Okay. So now I'm almost in the bunker while my mom is at the green. Why is there a grate here? That is half covered in grass.
I thought it's water.
Why is there a candy bar here?
Set this ball.
Okay. No.
Stop. Stop, 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 stop. Stop. Stop.
Yes.
Like stop.
Yep, like stop.
Okay, let's go.
Why do I keep clutching?
Okay. Good. So, now, putting. Me first. Ilan na yung tira ko?
Yan na yun. Ito na yung
Pangalawa.
pangatlo. Pangatlo?
Bakit pangatlo?
Pangalawa yan. Pangaba.
Heel. Heel. So, dahan-dahan. Malapitin lang.
Beware ka sa ano, beetle. Beware of the beetle. Oh, never mind. Sa bug. Skibidi. Skibidi. Skibidi.
Lang. 3 and 4.
I barely caught that.
5. Ah.
Sorry, I'm feeling confident.
Huh. Wait.
Ito yung mga tayo ng dang... Ito yung mga gaan ng dang beetle.
Okay.
Yung mga dang beetle.
Lakas. Control, control. Shoot. Yes! Nice game, big boy. Sayang yung isang ano mo. Sayang yung isang hole mo, hindi mo natapos. It's okay, it's okay. Nice game, buddy. Wait, I cannot.
Sabihin mo.
Nice game. Come. Nice game. Okay.
Sabihin mo na 6 yung ano ko yung 7. 6.